Hey guys, today I am going to show you very interesting thing. How can you create the barcode in Microsoft Excel? Yes, you can create the barcode in Microsoft Excel, but for this what you have to do, first we work in Excel and then I will show you from where you can get the barcode style font. Okay, so first I write the number. Suppose this is the barcode number, and here I will write is equal to inverted commas, then static, then inverted commas close, then and sign, then I will select the cell, then again and sign, then again inverted commas, static, inverted commas close. So now you can see this is our number, and now this number we will change into the barcode. Okay, so I already downloaded the barcode style. I show you new barcode font. I will select this and enter. So you can see now here is barcode, and now you can see this barcode from your barcode machine if you have it. Okay, so this is barcode. Now how you will install this new barcode reader? So for this we will go to Google, and from the Google we will see. So now we are on Google. So here you have to search the font. This is one of the website to the barcode, or many of the font styles what you can download from here. So this is the first one. You will click on it and it will take you here in this website. Here in the search bar you will write barcode. So once you write barcode you will find different types of barcodes. Which one you like it, select and download. I download this one. Now what you have to do, once it downloads you will go to the folder, and here you will right click on it and extract all. Once you will extract all, click next, and now it will make a folder. Now this is the file. Now you will right click again on it and install. So it will install on your office, yani Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, everywhere. Now we come into the Excel. I close this and I will open it again. So this is our Microsoft Excel. Again I show you here. Suppose I write any of the number. This is my number and we want to create this barcode. So I will write here again is equal to, I make the size small so it will be easy for you to find out, is equal to inverted commas, static sign, inverted commas close, and sign, and then I will select this number, the cell number, then again and sign, then again inverted commas, static, and inverted commas close. So you can see now we wrote this, and you can check the formula. Now after all these things we will go to the style, what the font we install it, we download it and install in our computer. It was new barcode first font. So I will click on it and you can see now there is the barcode. If you want to see more this, so suppose 150, and you can see our barcode is ready. So if you have barcode reader, you can click on it and it will read your barcode. You can paste it in any of the item. I hope everything will be clear. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.